about a Scottish cup of coffee? Yeah. Hello and welcome. Today we're got the whole family in the car. Got Greg, my wife Sue, my son Kyle. We are headed to downtown Nashville to do a little sightseeing. It's now Saturday. We had a wonderful turkey day, and today we're going to drive around a little bit and check out different sites in town. So hang in there.
Those guys would come by and they wanted a buck and $2 to wash the windshield. Didn't pay it.
In 500 feet, bear right to stay on
he's
James
on another
Robertson
road.
Parkway.
Alright, so we are going to go
Let us think about. Michael
right.
Jackson was trying to go wide.
Now
so
bear
why-
right to stay on James Robertson Parkway.
Yeah, Greg sounds quitting. He'll never
does. Okay, well, this is the famous Broadway street here now.
This looks like we hit it.
If you ever want to come to Nashville, this is a place to come. Look at the people. Yep. Alright, well that was Broadway going one way. We'll go down, turn around, and go back through the mayhem here. Alright, we've now turned around, headed back up Broadway, or whatever road it is. Let's see, you boys gonna clear the intersection? Yes, you are. So we'll go through. Come on, red car. We are now on Rosa L. Parks Boulevard, headed northwest-ish here on the nav. And we're headed over to what's called the Farmers Market now in Nashville.
I don't know.
We got the adult window locks on. All right, we're driving out of town now. We're headed northwest. Head to Farmers Market. Looks like it's right here on the right, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it says to go up another block or two and then loop around. But
Farmers Market. See, it says Farmers Market.
Farm Shed Pavilion 1.
All right,
Cool place.
Farmers Market. All right, think we've arrived at Farmers Market. I'd say
Jamaican Way Restaurant.
Jamaican me crazy.
You should park next to the.
I'm not going to
Purple
park. I'll let
truck
you guys
thing.
out. I'm going to go check out EV Park
In
Church.
500 feet, turn right onto Jackson
I
Street.
don't know. We'll find out, eh? Yeah, I've dropped the family off here at Farmers Market, heading back to the house. Go ahead and see if I can navigate through downtown and head that way. Just working the way in the back roads here. It looks like Google's sending us probably the most direct route here. Lots of folks here in Nashville. They fixed up downtown and got it all working. Looks like we're heading over the river here. Don't think I'll be able to get much of a shot of the river. Yeah, maybe. Kind of see there. All right, well, we're going to work our way through traffic and head back to the house now. If you like this video, I know it was a short one, but at least you got to see downtown at Broadway Street, the madness. If you like this video, go ahead and click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon to not miss anything going forward. I'll be on the road in a few days for home, but for now, this is Nashville, Tennessee. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you again, and take care.